What are you doing down there? Come on up. We got some bacon to do. So once again, we've got our Omnia oven. Shaped like a bundt cake with a lid. And this thing, and then the heat diffuser I bought on my own. It's great for baking when you're camping on the camp stove. Well, I'm on the regular stove. I don't need to do it on the camp stove today. And so far, my experiments have been successful. Today, let's try baking some cookies. What do you say? So, I'm gonna preheat this and then break up the cookies to put in this. Okay, I could only get about half in, and it ain't pretty. I'm not a baker. I'm just here for my looks. Let me turn down the stove to there, medium low. Could only fit in half, which is fine. These cookies will last me at least an hour. It says bake 12 to 14 minutes or something. They're frozen, so add a couple minutes. And that works out in the Omnia about the same as a regular oven. Let's give it a shot. All right. It's been 12 minutes. And they're getting there. Couldn't space them. Ow, that's hot. 2 inches apart like they wanted me to, but so let's get a little poke around. Nope, still soft for sure, so we need more time. Okay, let's try again. It's been 15 minutes and survey says starting to get brown around the edges. Let me see. Ooh, they're soft still on top. Yeah. And the bottoms are definitely getting brown in there. Let's give it a few more minutes. Okay, we're at about the 17-minute mark now. See, there's more browning back there. Oh, ouch. It gets hot, who knew? So I believe I'm going to take it off the heat. And apparently I was off center on the flame, because that's doing better than this. But I'm going to take it off the heat so the bottoms don't burn. And let's see what happens. Okay, the trick was, oops, my fingers are getting in the way. The trick was to give it plenty of time to cool. And now I can't peel it out. Ah, that's better. That actually, came out all right. So I timed things right after all, and the trick was letting it cool enough to cut and do things with. So if y'all want some cookies, come on by. I got plenty. And it's another success with the Omnia cooker. Omnia Camp Oven. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing. Helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. We'll see you next time. Bye!